Aaron here with Ultraliminal Consulting. Are you ready to be exceptional at your work? Are you ready to be a leader? Not sure how to get there? That's okay. This is for you. Is leadership lonely? It can be. It depends on how you are as a leader. If you're the leader who builds a team that's a unified team, everybody shares in wins and everybody shares in losses, and as you make hard decisions, you're informing the team of what's going on and why. It makes leadership a lot less lonely, because when you have a team that believes in one team, one fight, and they've internalized that, and that's part of who they are, it's part of how the organization is, and you take ownership of the challenges that come up, and you've built that trust, then all of a sudden, when you have to make super hard decisions, and they're yours to make, and it's hard, it's not easy, let's not sugarcoat that. Like, if there's some decisions you're going to make that'll make you sick to your stomach, it's not pleasant, but the team will know, the team will understand, and they'll help carry the weight with you. They won't bear the full burden, because that's yours, but they can at least help mitigate some of it. And you set that up by building trust. You build trust in that team, and you do that through doing your day-to-day work. You're the one who sets priority. You're the one who delegates. You're the one who does the follow-ups. You're the one who is a shoulder there for them to lean on when things get really tough, because you come out to the trenches and help out. You build that trust, you build that equity, and that builds that team, it builds that culture. And as you build that up, it doesn't remove accountability or responsibility from your shoulders, but it lets them know